afternoon, YouTube family. This is Shirley coming to you with a small Dollar Tree haul. I went and bought about 20 different items at the Dollar Tree, and I was really happy with what I got. Also wanted to let you guys know, happy March. I hope you guys are enjoying the month of March so far. How's everything coming along for you guys? Here is March Madness, so there's a lot of different like conventional things that happen, like Soul Circus is coming down here, the fair is coming down here, one of these car things that's at one of the convention centers, monster trucks is going to be down here. So there's a lot of fun activities for the kids to do in the month of March, so it's going to be hectic. The majority of the weekends are completely booked because of them. Yeah, see the issues you have when you have a whole lot of children. I only have 3. But I did write exactly what I needed to buy before I went so that I wouldn't forget. And I was so happy that I didn't have to pull this out at Dollar Tree, that I actually remember exactly what to get. And then some. The then some is the bad part, but still, everything was still under $20. Well, it was 20 and change with tax. My son needed a nightlight because he lost his and he refused to sleep in the room with his brother. So he's been sleeping with me, and he is a terrible sleeper. He rose like it's no other. I did not sleep that day, and I was like, nope, I need to go get myself a nightlight for this child. He needs to be back in his bed. Also went and got some the Easter decor, the tablecloth. I'm going to do another backdrop like I had did for my birthday. If you guys follow me on Instagram, that's real pretty, a nice little backdrop that I'll have set up, and I'll create another DIY arrangement for that backdrop. Also, I went and got some plastic bags, some shipping supplies, detergents, and coloring books. So I went and got those things, and I'm gonna go ahead and show it to you guys. Let me know how you guys are doing. All right? I gotta get a little basket. I went and got these sandwich. This one had 50 in it. I got another one that has 45. I know I was low on all of them, so I just went and grabbed a couple of them. Here's another 45. My kids do pack their little snacks. Sometimes they like to take Cheerios or like bigger containers, cheap husk containers, and they'll like to put some in a little bag. And I got this for our little dinette table for them. Can't wait. Do anybody else get really emotional on Good Friday? Even though it's a good day and, you know, it's a blessed and an amazing day, do you still just get really sad about it? Because in reality, you know exactly what happened on Good Friday. And every time I think about it, I just start crying, and everybody's like, why? You know, this is the reason why, you know, we're here. And I'd be like, what? Yeah, I still know what happened. So in my mind, I know it's a blessing. It's a day that I always take off because I stay crying all day long, which is not healthy, but still. I'll be at the church doing all kinds of activities and programs on that day. All right, my little tidbit. Here's another one. This is the 10 bags. I know I ain't had none of these, so I had to just grab what I can quickly. Also got another puzzle for my son. I finally found the, he loved cars, and I was so thrilled to see this one. I'm so thrilled to have that. I can't wait for him to try it today. Here is the night light so that I am able to sleep better tonight. My middle son. I got the sheets that I told you I ran out of. Here's the coloring book, Marvel, that one of my kids wanted. I got that. Amazing books out there too. And here is a body oil. I had picked up a couple of them last month, and I gifted them out to like my mom's birthday. I gifted out some to my sister. I had none for myself, so I decided to get this for myself. And I got this for the bathroom downstairs. This is the hand wash from the Bolero brand as well. Didn't know they had that, so this was new for me to see. And my Fabulosos. And my final bag. Here are the shipping items that I use for Poshmark. I use just to ship out little things, mainly here. And here is the project that I'll be working on, you guys. I'm gonna do a nice little backdrop here, and I'm gonna cut these up too to just make it a nice colorful. Oh, this is gonna be this matches the plate. This is gonna be on a dinette. That's that napkin cover. And these two here are gonna just be the backdrops, and I'll have this in front of it just to give it a nice flash for the kids to take pictures. And that is it, you guys. That is my haul. Alright. And that was it. I hope you guys continue on being a blessing to others. It is going to be crazy. Let me know what you guys have set up or is planned out for the month of March. And I will talk to you guys very soon. Continue on being a blessing to others, and I'll chat with you later. Bye.